lying claim for a cover-up over alleged inappropriate behaviour by the former chief executive of the Liberal Democrats. The party's leader has admitted his office heard of concerns in 2008. Lord Reynard denies the allegations. Former Lib Dem MP Lembit Opik says the party is in a mess.
It's yet another avoidable own goal. And that's part of the reasons I've said for a while. Maybe it would be better if Nick Clegg focused on being Deputy Prime Minister and let the leadership go to someone who can give their full attention to that job and avoid what I think is a blunder like this.
We elected them, but almost 90% of us can't name our Police and Crime Commissioner. The new roles were created to replace the existing police authorities in November, but only 1 in 7 of us turned out to vote. Michael Bublé's new single gets its first airplay this morning, just after 8 o'clock here on Smooth Radio. His new studio album, To Be Loved, is released in April. It's a Beautiful Day is taken from it. Michael's been talking to Smooth Radio.
You know, I've been working on my new record, and I'm so excited for you guys to hear it. I know every artist that tells me they got a new record tells me that it's always the best record. That's just how we do it. But the truth is, I think the work will speak for itself. I really think this is my best record. I can't wait for you guys to hear it.
And that's the latest Smooth Radio news. 2 minutes past 7.
When you call directory inquiries, there are a few things you want. You want someone to answer the phone, obvious but vital. You want an assistant who's sharp as a tack. You want a great service, accuracy, clarity, presence, and more in 118 delivers that great service from right here in quick presence. Directory inquiries go direct to Maureen 118212. She's great with numbers. Calls cost 38 pence plus 1.59 a minute with a minimum 60-second charge from most landlines, mobile rate varies.
Smooth Radio's Starlight Supper is now just 2 weeks away. Join us by holding your own dinner party and at the same time raise money for Macmillan Cancer Support. It's not too late to register for your pack and get involved. Just visit smoothradio.co.uk.